Stop manually saving and start collaborating seamlessly. Let's get your Eclipse projects on GitHub fast. First, make sure you have Git installed and a GitHub account ready to go now. Open your Eclipse project, right-click your project in the Package Explorer, and select Team. Then Share Project. A window will appear. Choose Git as your repository type, and click Next. If you haven't used Git with this project before, you'll need to create a Git repository. Click the Create Repository button if prompted. Choose where to store your local Git repository. Usually, this defaults to inside your project folder. Keep these settings and just click Finish. Eclipse might prompt you to switch perspectives. Say yes to switch to the Git perspective. Now, it's time to add your project to the repository in the Git perspective or Package Explorer. Right-click your project again, select Team. Then Add to Index. This stages your changes. Next, commit your changes. Right-click your project, go to Team, and select Commit. Enter a descriptive commit message, something short but clear that describes what changes you made. Then click Commit. Time to push your commits to GitHub. In the Git perspective, you'll want to click on Push Branch to Origin. A new window will open with the push configuration settings. Click the Configure button. You'll need to connect your project to your GitHub remote repository. Enter its GitHub URL or create the project in GitHub. Then, in the push configuration, enter your GitHub username and a personal access token. If you use two-factor authentication, click the Finish button. Finally, if others are working on your project, you'll need to pull their changes to update your local copy. Right-click on the project and select Team. Then pull. You've successfully linked your project, allowing you to commit, push and pull.